Your accounts might look fine on paper, but if they're not working together, they could be quietly working against you. Whether you're already retired or planning for retirement, today's topic is about making sure your financial strategy is coordinated, efficient, and working in your favor. I'm Peter Guidotti, Chartered Accountant, Certified Financial Planner, and Senior Portfolio Manager at CG Wealth Management. And in this video, we'll talk about how consolidating your accounts can protect your retirement strategy and help you make smarter financial decisions. So let's get started. Disconnected accounts lead to disconnected strategies. And in retirement, that's a risk you don't want to take. Every dollar you've saved should be working towards the same long-term goals. But when your accounts are spread across different institutions, it's easy for things to fall out of sync. So for example, we've experienced situations where a client made a TFSA contribution at their bank early in the year and later, without realizing, added more to their TFSA with us. Because those accounts weren't connected, we had no way of knowing the first contribution had already been made. The CRA flagged it as an overcontribution and applied penalties. Having an investment account at separate institutions that your financial planner isn't aware of might also lead to increased investment risk, create unnecessary tax exposure, or even conflict with your overall retirement plan. That kind of issue is far less likely when everything is managed under one roof. With full visibility, your financial team can help you avoid costly mistakes and make sure every decision supports your overall retirement strategy. That's why consolidation matters. It keeps your plan coordinated, efficient, and focused on your goals. In addition to reducing fragmentation, simplifying your accounts gives you more control over your financial life. When your investments are spread across multiple institutions, it means more contacts, more statements, and more complexity. But when everything is consolidated, it becomes easier to track your progress, make decisions, and stay on top of your retirement strategy. That clarity leads to less stress and more peace of mind for you and for your loved ones. Now, not to mention, it's much simpler to collect all your documents during tax time. And we'll touch on taxes in more detail later in this video. When your accounts are spread across different institutions, each one may be charging its own set of fees. But when you consolidate your assets under one roof, you often qualify for better fee structures. This is thanks to something called economies of scale. The more assets managed together, the lower the percentage you typically pay in fees. And when we have a full view of your portfolio, we can offer pricing that reflects that efficiency. Just like consolidation can help reduce fees, it can also play a major role in reducing the amount of tax you pay. When your accounts are scattered, it's harder to build a tax strategy that works across the board. But when your accounts are consolidated, we can coordinate investment decisions, withdrawals, and asset allocation in a way that minimizes tax, both now and throughout retirement. So for example, we can decide which accounts to draw from first, how to structure income in retirement, and where to hold tax-efficient investments. Tax planning becomes much more precise when everything is working together, especially when you're working with a qualified team that specializes in retirement tax strategy. When your accounts are consolidated, your financial planner can see the full picture, and that makes a big difference. With full visibility, we can build a plan that's more accurate, more personalized, and more aligned with your goals. We can better assess your risk, manage your cash flow, and make sure every part of your strategy is working in sync. It's not just about having fewer accounts. It's about having a smarter plan. Consolidating your accounts isn't just about simplifying your finances. It's about making sure your retirement strategy is coordinated, efficient, and working in your favor. So if you found this video helpful or interesting, consider subscribing to our channel and hit the like button. Also, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter to receive the free Estate Record Keeper. It's a guide to help you organize your estate for your loved ones. If you have any questions, click the link in the description below or scan the QR code on the screen to book a free strategy meeting with a member of our team. Remember to be kind to yourself and to others, and I'll see you in our next video.